Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Itel P36. Very simple in 2 steps. Firstly, if the phone is having the password, you open settings, then in the settings you scroll back down where there is system and look for where you can format this phone. Look for reset options. On reset options you click on erase all data, then after that you click on format. If you know the password, you erase all data. If you know the password, if you don't know the password, then you use this way, using buttons without using any PC. You first put the phone off by pressing power button. You wait for it till it goes off. When it breaks out, you click power button and volume up button all together. Sometimes you press it and it fails. When it fails, you press volume down button and the power button. And when you see this interface, you click on wipe data or factory reset. Use power button to select. Power button to format. Then you wait for it. You see it's wiping data. Factory formatting data. You use power button to reboot the system. Sometimes take. Then from there you have to run the setup wizard of this phone. You click on the next button to set the time, and then you scroll down to accept the terms and conditions of Google. You skip the settings, the lock setup, click on next, wait for it to finish. Choose the country where you are located. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. It's totally done now.